6 and I'm prepping for the sales con because it's 7:30 and I need to shower. Okay. Hello. So it's time to do my makeup, and while doing the makeup I usually watch one of my favorite vloggers, which is Nicole Guerrero, and she has daily vlogs. She actually inspired me to do this video and to do some daily vlogs because yun nga, medyo tamad ako sa parang grade background, which is I don't have a grade background here in the condo. So what I just do is wala naman ako masyadong daily vlog na parang super exciting like sa kanila na kailangan what do you call this? Kailangan medyo merong ano tawag ito? Yung lagi pupunta sa ganito, pupunta sa Bahamas and everything. I'm just plain little old me. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my vlog and do my makeup and yesterday at Barry's at Robinson's. We used to have yoga and holiday. And we eat the leftovers yesterday and yoga. So after this, I'm gonna go and use my makeup for today. This is everyday makeup that my go-to makeup. Para ako punta ka sa mga places na, alam mo yun, work and everything, you know, you don't need extravagant makeup, so this is just the way I do my makeup. So let's just, let me eat first. Right now, and yeah, just waiting for the grab, and we're off. I always bring this kasi malamigin ng tao, so kahit na hindi malamig, so normal na tao sa akin malamig, so I didn't have time to do my hair, so let's just take it like this on. And I'm kind of already late. I have to be there at 7:30 and I think it's already 7:15, so hopefully there's no traffic and I would be there around 8 or 8 a.m. or 7:45, hopefully. So see you there. Everyone's eating their meals. Kakatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch. And I'm having tagal ko nang hindi nag-coffee. Probably 1 to 2 weeks. So, I'm gonna eat also fruits. Yummy, yummy watermelon. So guys, nandito po ako sa Tondo sa aking humble home. So, visiting my parents. There you go. My mother, my father, and my baby. There he goes. Wala yun naman, hindi naman to close up eh. So, tambay mode muna ako dito because the giveaways for Sphero paints will be delivered in an hour. So, I'm just waiting for them. And tambay-tambay mode muna. Relax kasi majulan. And, ayun. So, binisita ko aking minamahal sa buhay. Ang aking parents. Yan ang boss po. At makikita po yan ng madlang people. I'm home, safe, and kind of wet. So, nagpalit ako ng damit dun sa house, sa Tondo. And it's so cold and sumakit ng ulo kanina. Nabasa ako when I got the giveaways. Hindi na kapag-video sa doon kasi sobrang naging busy din. And nag-bonding kami with mother. So, yeah. So, tomorrow, I'm gonna be going to the office and do some work. And earlier, I just edited some of my edited my website, slameventproduction.com, and tomorrow I'm gonna edit more on the photos and on the website. So I think this is me signing off. So I think see you tomorrow. Well, anyway pala, sorry, PS. Itong makeup na to, which is the mix of Kat Von D. So this makeup, as you can see, ano pa to, this was 6 a.m. in the morning, no retouch
whatsoever. Medyo nag-fade na yung blush and a little bit konti lang yung oil, but I mixed Kat Von D and Stay Matte ng ng Maybelline for the foundation, Stay Fit Matte or something like that. So for sure, I love it. I love the finish. Ang tagal niya. Hindi ako naging oil throughout the day. I don't know dahil baka dahil malamig kaya hindi ako nag-oil much, but so far so good. I'm gonna try to use it again tomorrow, and yeah, I think that's just about it. Don't try that. I mean, try to experiment on your foundations if you're a makeup artist or if you want to do your makeup. Experiment as much as possible. You can get lots of good results for that. So I think I'm not gonna be vlogging more on my after makeup and sleepy time, so probably gonna see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you on the other side.